Morning, guys. So it seems like the weight has increased, like compared to 2 days ago or something like that. And compared to yesterday, it increased by half kilo, which is like 1 pound, 1.1 pounds. It's no big deal. I'm sure it's gonna drop. It's probably some kind of another weird fluctuation. All of these things like happen really often, so you're seeing basically how often it happens, no matter how strict you are. So it's gonna come down eventually, maybe like tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. So we'll see how things go, right? And I'm still not changing anything just because I've seen the weight go up like for the past 2-3 days, because it's been going like, I think the first day it went up like 0.1 and then 0.2 and then now it's 0.5. Still no worries. I'm still judging myself by the mirror and I'm getting leaner each day, so everything's cool. It's a push day, so I like push days. I don't like the fact that I'm gonna be eating 2,400 calories, but you know. So anyways, I'll see you guys at the gym. So week 5, first day of week 5 actually, push day, easy one. Only 2 weeks left, it's crazy. So anyways, we are going strong as day 1. There's no difference, so let's start. Alright, done for the day. Only took me 49 minutes, so cardio wise we are also improving. So I had to interrupt that because I've seen a friend of mine. So what was I saying? So another push day is over. Amazing workout. We finished like pretty fast. It was like I think 46 minutes or 49 minutes or something like that. So everything's going really well. I still increased my reps even like on my 5th week. So we are doing good on that side as well. And anyways, I'm gonna talk to you guys more on recap, alright? Peace. Hey guys, so today my weight was 83.1, which is like quite half a kilo heavier, which is like 1.1 pounds. Basically heavier than yesterday. It's quite funny considering the fact that I was doing intermittent fasting yesterday and I haven't eaten anything until like 6:20 p.m. ish. And then after 6:20 p.m. before I went to bed, I actually ate only 2 meals. And as for my meals, in terms of calories, it was about 2,100-ish, okay? But additionally yesterday, because you know that on my 4th week, I implemented additional cardio every single day. So this also included my active rest days as well. So if you remember in the past on my active rest day, the only thing I was doing like one exercise for like either walking for an hour or like, you know, outdoor cycling for an hour or so. Okay, so what I did yesterday is that I did cycling outdoors, plus additionally during like in the evening, I went out for a walk for about like 30 minutes. Okay, so I included that as well. And with all that combined, I still managed to gain 1.1 pounds. So So these things happen basically, okay? So you're seeing it here live. Such things happen quite often actually during a diet, especially the leaner you're getting. When you are like really heavy, they don't happen as often as when you're lean, because like when you're lean, even if you get like, you know, just a little bit of maybe additional inflammation or some water retention for like whatever purpose, or like, you know, whether you ate like a little bit extra sodium or you had less coffee, a lot of things affect those, and this is one of those, and it certainly makes an impact when you're, you know, very lean, because you see the scale suddenly change and it kind of like gets to you quite easily. But when you're heavier, these are less likely to happen, okay? At least like not to this extent, I would say. Especially in your first month, like I wouldn't think that you would be experiencing a lot of these fluctuations, okay? Like they would be less than what I'm experiencing, I think. So, but it doesn't matter. I mean, we are still doing the same thing. We're not changing anything, okay? No panic mode, nothing. So same thing, we just continue, and that is pretty much it basically. So tomorrow is gonna be a leg day, and I will see you guys tomorrow, all right? So make sure to like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and see you guys tomorrow.